Welcome to Bilingual History. Bienvenidos a la historia bilingüe. In today's lesson, we are learning about the Industrial Revolution, some of the important inventions of this time period, and the pros and cons. What was the Industrial Revolution? A period of time from the 1700s to the 1900s, a time of new technology and inventions, nuevas tecnologías e inventos. It happened in both Europe and the United States, and it caused people to leave farms and small towns to move to cities and work in factories. Hizo que la gente dejara las granjas y los pueblos pequeños para mudarse a las ciudades y trabajar en las fábricas. Inventions. One of the most important inventions of the Industrial Revolution was the steam engine. This was a new type of power that could be used for production and transportation. Nuevo tipo de energía que podría usarse para la producción y el transporte. The powered loom, a machine that made cloth out of thread more efficiently than a person. Una máquina que hacía tela con hilo de manera más eficiente que una persona. The furnace. This was used for making steel and was powered by coal. Se utiliza para fabricar acero. Funcionaban con carbón. The cotton gin. This was used to separate seeds from cotton more efficiently. Unfortunately, it created a larger desire for slaves to pick more cotton. Se utiliza para separar las semillas del algodón de manera más eficiente. Desafortunadamente, creó un mayor deseo de que los esclavos recogieran más algodón. The assembly line. This was a new factory system where each worker was only responsible for one part of production. It made production faster, cheaper, and consumer goods were more widely available. Un nuevo sistema fabril donde cada trabajador solo era responsable de una parte de la producción. Hizo que la producción fuera más rápida, más barata y los bienes de consumo estuvieran más disponibles. Road. This increased steel and iron production and helped more people travel to and develop the Western United States. Aumentó de la producción de acero y hierro. Ayudó a más personas a viajar y desarrollar el oeste de los Estados Unidos. And telephone. These both helped improve communication across the world. Estos dos ayudaron a mejorar comunicación atrás del mundo. Electricity. for light bulbs, radios, etc. Electricidad, para focos, radios, etc. This created a need for oil wells, pozos de petróleo. Pros and cons. The pros are that there were great advances in technology, it helped the economy, and there were more job opportunities. Grandes avances en tecnología ayudó a la economía y más oportunidades de trabajo. The cons caused an increase in environmental destruction, pollution, etc., created more populated cities, so more slums and tenements, and factory jobs were very dangerous with little pay, long hours, and there was an increase in child labor. Provocó un aumento de la destrucción ambiental, contaminación, etc. Creó ciudades más pobladas, por lo que más barrios marginales. Los trabajos en las fábricas eran muy peligrosos, poca paga, muchas horas, y también había más trabajo infantil. Match each invention with the correct description. Une cada invento con la descripción correcta. We have steam engine, powered loom, furnace, cotton gin, assembly line, and railroad. The steam engine was new power used for production and transportation. The powered loom was a machine for making cloth out of thread more efficiently. The furnace was used for making steel and powered by coal. The cotton gin was used to separate seeds from cotton more efficiently. The assembly line was a system where each person was responsible for one part of production. And finally, the railroad increased steel and iron production, helped more people move west. Statements are pros and which are cons of the Industrial Revolution. Decide qué declaraciones son pros y cuáles son contras de la Revolución Industrial. We have great advances in technology, child labor, increased environmental destruction, helped the economy, more job opportunities, more populated cities, so more slums and tenements. Factory jobs were dangerous, low pay, long hours. Great advances in technology, child labor, con. Increased environmental destruction, helped the economy? Oh. More job opportunities. Pro. More populated cities, so more slums and tenements. Con. Factory jobs were dangerous, low pay, long hours. Con. Thanks for watching. Gracias por ver.